everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut the Katydid in Heartopia. So to cut this insect or this Katydid, you need to go to the flower field, more precisely at the amethyst page, and this insect or this Katydid will spawn all times like this and almost all weather at the sunny, rainy or rainbow. So just go to the flower field, more precisely at the amethyst beach, this area, and then just walk around to this area. Usually this candidate will be appears at the grass like this one, you can see it. I will catch it like this. Just like that, you will notice this candidate will be appears at the grass. Just cut it if you see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.